In the past, if you wanted to install Windows, you had to find your installation disk. With Windows 10 though, all you have to do is make an installation USB. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I might be answering your question. Today's question: how do I make a Windows 10 installation USB? Well, first of all, let's take an overview of what we'll be doing. We're going to make a USB that contains a copy of Windows 10. Once you have one of these, it lets you install Windows 10 on a new computer, and you'll need to buy a license, do a clean installation of Windows 10 if you've already been using it, upgrade Windows 7 or 8 to Windows 10, and again you'll need a license, upgrade Windows 10 to the latest version, and repair problems with Windows 10. To do this, we'll download a tool from the Microsoft website. This tool will download the latest copy of Windows 10, and it will then use this to make a bootable USB drive. You're going to need a Windows computer with a good internet connection and a blank USB drive. I recommend using an 8GB USB stick as a minimum. If your USB drive contains any files, make sure you copy them to somewhere safe on your computer, because we're going to be wiping the USB drive. I've tried to make this tutorial as accurate as possible, but please remember that Microsoft releases a new tool twice a year, so it's possible it could change. However, this guide should still get you through. First of all, you need to plug in your USB stick. Ignore any messages that appear. Open your web browser and search for Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. You should find a search result that takes you to Microsoft.com. I've included the address in the description for this video. On this web page, look for Create Windows 10 Installation Media. Click Download Tool now. Run the tool. Wait for the tool to load. Accept the terms. Now wait again. Choose the option to create installation media and click Next. It's a good idea to make a USB drive that will work on other computers as well as your own, so untick this box for Use the recommended options. Language, you can change this here if you need to. Edition, this doesn't give you a choice now. Architecture, change this to both. Now click Next. On this screen, you can leave USB flash drive selected. Click Next. You should see your USB stick here if it's plugged in. Click on it once, then click Next. Wait for Windows 10 to be downloaded. It takes a while. After that, there's another wait while the USB drive is being prepared. When it's finished creating your USB drive, you can click Finish and unplug your USB drive. So, how do you use the installation USB? If you're upgrading your computer to the latest version, plug it in, and then open File Explorer, find the USB drive, and double-click Setup. Then follow the instructions on the screen. But if you want to erase everything on your computer and install a fresh copy of Windows 10, you need to turn off your computer, plug in the USB, and then boot the computer from your USB drive. Every computer's different, so check your instructions. Please let me know in the comments below how you got on, and if this video helped you, please give it the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this from me in future, click on my face below and hit the red subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out my video on how to install Windows 10 on a new SSD using the USB drive you've just made. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.